Hey guys, I'm really sorry for what you're about to see, but this is my room. Alright, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I am getting over a sickness. I feel so much better today than I did the last couple of days, and I need to have an intervention. No, it's not even that. I just need to kind of get things back on track because I've been sick. So I'm gonna be honest, I haven't showered in like 3 days, which is disgusting, I know, but I've just been in bed. And which also means my bed is gross.
You put the thing on your bitch.
I did put it on.
No.
Yeah.
What?
And I'm filming, and you've just.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, which means my bed is also gross because I've been like sleeping and napping so much, and yeah, anyway. And my room is a mess, so I just thought that I would come on here and do it, like cleaning my room, changing my bed, and showering and skincare and everything, because I've totally neglected my skincare, and I probably should wash my hair as well. So that's what we're gonna do now. I think I'll start by lighting a candle because I haven't lit one in a few days because I just haven't been bothered. So we'll do this one. It's raspberry caramel from Le Bang Body, and then I'm going to clean my room. I'll do it in fast motion thing so I can listen to some music and stuff. So yeah. I just realised that I haven't even edited my video for tonight, so I'm going to quickly take a short break to do that because it's due in an hour and a half, and I think I still got like 20 minutes or something, so that'll take me a while. So I'm going to go do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've uploaded my video now, so I'm just going to finish doing my clothes and stuff, then I'll take out the rubbish, and yeah, I'll do that again in fast motion. Okay, so there's still a few things that I need to clean. This is the hideous, most ugly angle, but anyway. I'm gonna go have a shower now, and change my clothes, and then I think I'll do skincare and stuff tonight because I want to do like a full kind of mask and everything. So I'll show you that a bit later. I want to have tea and stuff first before I do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go have a shower now, change my clothes and everything. I might actually not wash my hair today. I think I might wash it tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go have a shower now. Okay, so I've had my shower now and I feel a lot better. But I think I might continue this video tomorrow. I think I might change my bed's sheets and stuff tomorrow and wash my hair and do my skincare and everything tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day now, so I'm going to change my bedding now. Once again, I'm just gonna fast forward this, you know, anyway. Okay, so I've done my bed now. I'm just gonna go wash my blanket and Tilly's blanket because I don't have like a spare of them. And hopefully they'll be dry by tonight. It's 2:30, so surely they should be okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. And then I can do my skincare and stuff tonight, and I think we will be done. I'm out of breath from jumping around the bed. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my blankets and everything, and then I'll come back to update you when it's all done and also when we're doing my skincare. Alright, so my bed's all done now. My new blankie, well not new, but washed blankets on there. I'm just about to get Tilly's blanket and then I'll bring her in. I didn't get time to do my skincare tonight, so I will do that tomorrow night instead. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm so excited because this looks so comfy. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we do the skincare. Hey guys, it's been a couple days since I last updated this video because life just got a little bit hectic and I didn't have time to kind of update this. But anyway, I ended up washing my hair last night, so it's all fresh and curly, but it feels very nice because it's had a wash. But my natural hair is just gross, especially because it's been up all day. But anyway, now I'm going to do my skincare with you. I'm not going to do a mask tonight just because I'm so tired and I really can't be bothered. But I will do some skincare, so I'm just going to show you what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use my Lush Dark Angels Fresh Cleanser. And then for exfoliator, I'm going to use the Pixie Glow Tonic. I'm going to use my Sukin Rose Hip Oil and my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturiser. I'm going to use my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. I'm going to use a lip scrub. Actually, I'm not going to use a lip scrub because my lips are quite sore, but I'm going to put on a lip balm. I think I'll use this one by the Body Shop in Strawberry. So yeah, I'm probably just going to speed this up, so let's do it. Done. I feel like my face feels so nice. I really needed that. Life has been pretty crazy and I've neglected my skincare. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to hop into bed now. I'm going to grab a bottle of water. Well, I'm going to fill my drink bottle up with some ice and some water. I could really use some cold water right now. And then I think I'm going to read my book and go to bed. It's only 8:30, but I want to have an early night because tomorrow is my only day off work for this week until Sunday. Today's Monday, so I want to make sure that I get lots of filming done and stuff, so I need a good night rest. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next one. Bye.